What's happening, guys? So Nate back here, and in this video I'm going to show you a tool that I use that helps me monitor my Facebook ad comments. All of that coming up right now. So guys, one of the things that I struggled with, and the thing that you're probably going to struggle with a lot, is once you start getting traction, once you start making a lot of sales, once you get in the rhythm and the flow of putting up ads, new ads, new ads, new ads, you're gonna run into this issue, which there's not a really good way to do it until I found this tool that I want to share with you. But there's no real good way to monitor your ads and your ad comments across all of your dark posts without manually going into each one or leaving them all open in tabs in your browser and then refreshing every single day. And the problem is, like, if you're every day monitoring your ads, you're going in there, turning things off, turning things on, adding new ads, making new creative, whatever, to keep that list of active ads accurate. Right? It's a big pain in the ass. I mean, you're gonna have a spreadsheet of all your URLs, and the next thing you know, half of them those ads are turned off. You got all these new ones that are, I've tried using a spreadsheet. I've tried to do this. And then another thing you'll notice is if you just say, why don't you just select all campaigns and go to the ad tab, right? And one of the things you're gonna notice there is if you choose all campaigns, go to the ad tab, you're gonna see all the duplicates of the same post ID. So let's say the same post ID is an ad set number 1 and ad set number 5. That shows up twice, as the ad shows up twice under the ad tab. And so you're wasting time because you open it in a new window, it takes time to load, you refresh to get the new comments, and then you realize you already checked that ad post ID. And when you have a lot of ads running, it's a big waste of time. So I was on the search for a way to ideal solution was what I'm gonna show you here, and then someone made it, and I've realized that, hey, this is amazing, which is, hey, why don't they just have an inbox for all your posts, your comments, your Facebook posts. And so there's many tools that do that. There's like Agora Post and some others like that, but what they don't do is they don't do dark posts. There's a bunch of tools that will do the public post on your fan page. Not a lot of them will do the dark post on your page. And this was a problem because everybody that does anything with advertising, 90% is doing dark posts, and that's what I teach, right? So this is a big problem. So I'm gonna show you a tool here. It's called NapoleonCat, app.napoleoncat.com. What this does here, I have it pulled up on my screen. What this does is it takes all of your, let's see if I can show you guys. It takes all of your public post comments, your dark post comments, your page comments, your photo comments, when someone mentions you on the newsfeed somewhere, right? Even your private messages to your page. It will put everything into one single inbox in chronological order. Look at this, 568 new comments in the last 30 days, I guess. Like, because I'm not really actively promoting, but I remember when I was promoting heavily, I was getting somewhere around 2,000 comments per day or something. And so one of the things that you want to do is you want to monitor your comments and get rid of some of the negative stuff. So Facebook has this thing where you can put keywords and moderation keywords on your fan page and auto hide or archive or delete or whatever those negative comments. You can put a big list of keywords that would trigger this event. What I have found was that doesn't actually work that well. It misses the keywords, it doesn't do it. So having this tool, a great backup. So I recommend having that in place, all your keywords and filtering. And then also using this tool, what I did was I had a virtual assistant go in here and they would go and make sure they emptied the inbox every day. So if there was 560 new today, they would empty this inbox by archiving all the positive comments and deleting all the negative comments. And then what this is gonna do for you is gonna help you maintain a higher conversion rate on your ads because people are not seeing the negative comments on your ads. And what you can do is you can go ahead and reply directly right here, reply to this comment, type of reply down here, comment or comment and archive, get rid of it. So you can comment without going at all to the Facebook feed, to loading the thing. It's all through API. You can just do it really fast here. And so you can just go browse here and you can see people tagging their friends. can't take picture, blah, 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 which is incorrect. I mean, you know, like incorrect, but whatever. You know, you can see, I like the dragonfly, 70% wear, I want to blah, 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 blah. Of course, so everybody, you know, commenting on the post. So that's cool. You can reply manually and you can delete and you can archive and you can hide and do whatever you want. But what I wanted to show you is it's got automation tools. So it's really good for pulling in all of your dark posts, all your ad comments into one nice little inbox. But it also has this automation stuff where you can click on here and now you can see, okay, I want to create a rule, which this says delete if it's negative. And I set up in here a bunch of keywords like screwed, steal, junk, hate, broke, warning, expedite, charge, all these keywords, pointless, China, thief, whatever, you know, all these keywords I'm blocking my ads. What this will do is auto delete any of those comments. And yes, I have those same keywords in my Facebook, but this is a backup and it will catch anything that the Facebook ones doesn't do. And then here I auto archive the positive ones. This way, my VA is not doing 1,000 comments a day. It auto archives a lot of the good ones, and then she's only have to go through some of them. And so down here is archiving. Does it show what? Okay, well, I'm not sure where the keywords are in this. All posts of fans, all comments, archive. But here, let me show you what you can do. Is you can create a new rule, and you can say, okay, so when someone posts to the page, or they leave a comment, so they leave a comment, on all comments, what you want to do is you can create an automatic reply. So you can send a private message to the person that left a comment, or you can leave a public reply on their comment, and you can set up, you know, a reply based on whatever keywords you want. So you can select different triggers. What is this? Do I even have it? I don't even think I don't even use this because we do it manually. So I don't actually use the auto reply. So I can't actually teach you exactly what to do here, but that's okay. So, but I know it's possible. And so you can do comments, private messages, the people that leave comments on your post, which is really cool. So this is another automation tool that helps, you know, alleviate a lot of the issues with getting too much comments on your ads. Not too much. So what happens is, like, if you archive here, right, it doesn't actually archive on the post. It just archives off this inbox. And then if you delete, it will delete here and on the page. Or if you hide, it will hide here and on the page, on the comment. So basically you're moderating and automating a lot of the manual stuff that you would have to do to maintain, you know, your comments. And you always want to be looking at your comments. If you're doing a lot of volume and getting a lot of comments a day, you should definitely be actively involved. Otherwise, you're gonna find that you got a lot of junk in your ad comments, and that's hurting your conversion. So if you have something that's been running for a while and it starts not performing as well, one of the reasons is it could be because you have, you know, some comment issues that people are, because everybody looks at the comments, they say, oh, this post is really cool. They'll read the comments. What is the feedback? What do people think about it? And then they'll click the link and go to your website. So you want to make sure you maintain, you know, a nice little content. You have the control to do that. So why wouldn't you do it? So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you like it. I'll put a link in the description where you guys can get this tool. I don't know what I pay for this. I can't remember what I pay. I think I pay like $100 a month or something because it has the automation stuff. If you don't want the automation, I think it's cheaper, but definitely check it out if you're interested in. Disclosure, it is affiliate link, but I actually do use it. So it's not like I'm sending you guys stuff that I don't use. Obviously I use it. So click the link, check it out. Let me know what you think. Post your comments, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.